Mr. Man. Mr. Man. Come out from that under the car.
Okay, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, kill you there. I said good afternoon, kill you. Where's my car?
Okay, calm down now with the quarrel.
Where's my car? We are quarreling. I want my car right now. Where is it?
Why are you sounding? Why are you being rude now?
You are a criminal. Where is my car?
No, I'm not going to take that insult. Don't insult me.
Which one is it?
I'm not a criminal. Don't insult me.
You are a criminal.
I respect you. Don't miss I fear you.
Said. You are a criminal.
Be careful, sir. Don't call me a criminal.
Where is my car? Where is my car?
You want to meet me? You want fight? You want fight?
You want to see me?
If you call me criminal again, I will do you here.
I said you are a criminal.
Don't call me criminal. Okay, call me criminal again.
You want to see me?
Call me criminal again.
I said you are a criminal.
God forbid me, Izuna, murdered someone. Never. God forbid. What sort of dream is this? My village people. My village people are to walk again. If not, what's the meaning of this? My village people. My village people. What is it? Killing someone in my dream? No. Psalm 35.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, my son. How are you?
I'm fine. So I'm looking for work. Is there any farm in house that I can play?
Little boy like you are looking for work. Is it a joke or what?
So it's not a joke. And number two, I'm not a little boy. I can do any work.
Is that why you don't go to school to get so that you can go and do work and have my food inside your pocket?
So I don't want to go to school again. I don't want to go to school since because my auntie have chased me away from school because my parents doesn't have me.
Are you not Mr. Ikemba's son?
Yes, Barrister Ikemba's son.
So, why haven't you paid a school fees up till now?
Honorable Barrister Ikemba said that he doesn't have money. So I need to look for work.
Where is your mom?
She's at home.
Your mom is at home.
Yes.
Take me. Take me. I want to go and see her.
I have told this boy not to leave this house without telling me. Yeah? Donald! Donald! Oh! Donald! Who is it? Hey! Where have you been?
Well, I met him on the road. He's your husband. All is well. I will come back later. I would like to answer some questions with you concerning this.
Concerning my son, I hope he has not done anything.
No, he has not done anything. It's just a discussion between the husband and her. Well, my name is Mr. Monica. In case you don't know, the husband is not well. I will come back. As I said.
Okay, sir. I'll let you know.
I will refer to you.
Thank you.
And I went outside for me so that we can raise up money to buy food stuff.
Hey! You shouldn't have done that. You are too tender for this because don't try it next time, man. Eh? Don't put me into problem, man.
I'm sorry.
From where? From where? Jesus Christ. 5,000 from where? Don't tell me you stole it.
No, I did not steal it though. It's Mr. Madukala gave it to me. So we should use it and buy food stuff.
And if you not even bother to tell me, so at least I will thank you. I forgot for the next time, oh. You forgot. Yeah? You put 5,000. Yeah, come inside. I want to see you.
Who was that?
Let me check it. Oh. Oh. It's April and the young man.
A young man? Who is it?
I don't know. I've not met him before.
Okay. Let's wait.
Good day, Dad. Mom.
April, how are you?
Very well, thank you.
Okay.
Who did you come home with?
Oh, my friend, and he wants to see you both.
You didn't tell us you were coming home with a man like that.
I'm sorry, Daddy.
It's okay, we are coming. We are coming.
Thank you, Mommy. Please, he's waiting.
You're private of that.
I've not seen the young man before. I don't know who he is.
Well, I just pray that she will make a right choice.
God, please bless my son. Do not allow him to be like his father when he grows up. Imagine a little boy thinking like an adult. I want to live to see what he'll become in the future.
I'm good. Are you sure you're okay? I'm fine.
God will bless you. God will give you wisdom, like King Solomon.
Mama, please. No, sugar.
I will tell you about it when I'm back from the market. Talk about it.
I'll wait for my room.
Linda.
Brother, you're welcome.
Thank you. What of Mama?
She's inside.
We need to demolish this.
Brother,
we need to demolish this and erect something befitting. One of my toys. Mama the mama.
Oh, get in there, man.
Mama, how are you?
I'm fine.
Happy to
My
see
son.
you.
Is this you?
Of course it's me.
You look so fresh.
Now God though.
What are you eating?
Mama, your son is blessed, made, and I have arrived.
I can see.
I now work with an oil company. No, the money is on. You can never
Did you
finish.
come with anybody? Brother? They come.
This one of my toys.
You work in an oil company?
Oil company now.
Brother, I heard that people that work in oil company, they are very, very big.
Yes, let me prove it to you.
Brother, move away. My son.
Mama, I cannot be saying I'm made without experimenting it.
Hey. Hello. I
can't be saying oil money without showing something.
I'm not giving this one. I'm not giving.
Mama, that's just a turkey.
Brother! I'm speechless, so.
Mama, the mom.
My barrister. I greet you.
How is your family?
They are fine. And barrister, I was here in the afternoon.
Oh, okay. So that is true. You came to my house in the afternoon to offer my wife 5,000 naira. For what?
Barrister.
Madoka, why would you offer my wife 5,000? What business do you have with her?
Barrister, not like that.
Not like what? Like, well, not like that. How is it like? You came when I was not around. You saw me when I was going out from this house. You came back at my back to offer my wife 5,000. Why will you offer her 5,000? What business do you have with my wife?
Barrister, can you listen to me?
Madoka,
Can you listen to me?
leave my house. Madoka, leave my house.
The apostle friend.
Who's your friend? Madoka, I said leave my house. Madoka, I am beginning to suspect you. At my absence, you will come. When I'm present, you will not come. But when I left, you will land to my... Will you leave my house? Get away! Madoka, I said, leave my compound! Get out from my compound!
Papa, this is unfair. He's my friend.
Who is your friend? No, he's not just your friend, but he's your father. Yes, he's your father. Do not bother. Your mother will tell me exactly the business she's having with this man that will make him offer you 5,000. 5,000. This hot afternoon.
Look at the way you're expressing yourself. Not even a word. What is it? Eh? Who told you he gave you money? Was it not your son that went out to so that he can raise money to fix the family? Since you can no longer fix the family.
What are you talking about?
Yes!
What are you talking about?
The lawyer.
What? Somebody came in and offered you 5,000. What business do you have with him? Or did he just give you 5,000?
It's none of your business.
Papa, this is unfair.
What's unfair?
This is unfair. You cannot.
What's unfair? What's unfair? What's unfair?
Don't even try it. Or you want to beat me too?
Okay. Where do you get this boy from? Okay, you have never told me the truth. Where do you get this boy from? Because this boy is not acting like me. Eh? No man, I will deal with Madoka in this village. He will know me. I will jail him. I will jail his wife. I will jail all his family. I will jail them. I will jail them.
Papa, this is not fair.
Anyway, I will deal with you. You see you. Like mother, like son. Imagine Madoka, dirty Madoka, illiterate Madoka that cannot even spell his name. I will jail him. I will jail Madoka for your sake. I will jail Madoka. He's stabbing my wife. He's coming after me, behind me, to give my wife money for months. If there's not something he's not looking for, I will do it. He will see me.
My name is Elvis Onyema from Olu in Imo State.
Oh, that's fine. Good, you're welcome. So what do you do for a living?
By the special grace of God, I'm a lawyer.
Did you say you're a lawyer?
Yes, Chief.
And you want to marry my daughter?
Yes, Chief. And I love her so much. As a matter of fact, we love each other so much.
I'm sorry you cannot marry my daughter.
Dad.
Shut up! He might be a good man to you, yes, but as a lawyer, he can't take good care of you. You're my only daughter.
Honey, please, don't say that. With your support.
How much support did your father give to me to build a better home? Listen to me, young man. I have nothing against you, all right? You cannot take good care of my daughter. She is my only daughter. You can check the next door neighbors. I have high expectations for my daughter. Thank you, and I don't want to see you here again.
Son, what is it?
Mama. Mama, why is Papa so wicked and heartless?
Donald.
He doesn't even provide food for us. Mama, he's a lawyer. Is that how lawyers act?
We're on the road. This is not the right place to discuss this. Let's go home. Oh?
Mama, I can just tell
I
you.
am tired. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go.
Mama, I can just tell you that Papa is very wicked.
Oh?
Papa is very wicked.
People are around here. Just keep quiet.
Chief, I don't need this preemptive bit again. I have my final take on that.
Chief, do you consider the consequences of your decision towards our daughter? It's very wrong of you to think that a lawyer cannot take good care of her.
I don't need it. Our daughter deserves more than that for a husband.
Chief, it's not easy to be a lawyer. It's not.
Oh. You see why I said I don't want us to talk about this? Because I know your mind is already muddled.
To be honest, Chief, I'm disappointed in you. I don't expect such from you. Eh? You're supposed to encourage them, not that drama you put out there. I'm disappointed though, Chief. I'm very, very disappointed.
Now why are you crying? My father refused to pay my school fees. Every other children are going to school. Why am I down here watching them? Mama, is this fair?
Have you reminded your father about it? Stop crying. Have you reminded him? I'll tell him about it. Oh?
Mama, then Papa came into school. I'll just be at home here watching other people go to school. I'm at home for 2 weeks. What am I doing at home?
I'll tell him about it. Oh? Hey! Stop crying. I'll talk to you. Oh? I'll talk to him now.
So, Mama the Mama, don't worry, henceforth your monthly salary. Yeah. Every month you'll be receiving money, just for That's the new standard now.
Hey, Mama.
Yes, sir.
Nah, I thought you would have passed the night here today. At least stay with us.
Mama, I would have loved to. But you know oil company. Any pararam query. I just sneaked out to come and see you people. But trust me, next time I will ask for leave. Once they grant it, I will come and spend more time.
Okay. It's okay. Remember what I told you? What we just discussed.
Okay.
Now that God has blessed you so much, you have to look for a wife so that you start creating your own family.
Yes, I will look into that.
It is very important.
No, the hour has come.
It is good to marry when you are young.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Child.
I will look into that.
It's okay.
Let me leave.
I am waiting for my daughter-in-law. I'm waiting to see her.
Mama, the next time I pull up, I will pull up with your wife.
Oh, amen, no. Amen, no.
Brother, when you get to the city, try and call us.
Most def.
Drive carefully,
I will. Mama, the mama.
Bye-bye.
You'll be good, though.
Okay, brother. Drive safe.
Bye-bye.
Every time you and write or reading. Okay, Mama. Wait. Everybody.
You want to become mother's father now?
Why I told you that I don't want to be stopped. You do see it now. You see where you're going to now? Money. I don't want to be disturbed.
So discussing about your son's welfare is not a disturbance, What? So it's not a disturbance. Now I do something about it.
Elizabeth, please. I don't have one. You can as well go to your man, Madoka. He can still help you as usual. Yes. Go to him, tell him that you need money for school fees. He will give you money so that I will rest. I don't have money.
Leave that innocent man alone. Leave him alone. We are talking about our son here. And I see Mr. Madoka.
Oh, Madoka is innocent.
Yes.
Innocent. Okay. Indeed, I don't have money. I don't have money. I don't have money. That is the final word I'll give to you. I don't have money.
You don't have money. I know what to do. I know what to do.
You know what to do. Hey! Thank you, God. At least for the first time in your life, you know what to do when there is a go ahead and do that which you know how to do. Of course, yes. Set yourself free for once. Stop troubling me. You have man who can do it. Of course, yes. He's in myself. Okay? Go! No problem.
Shame on you.
Shame on me.
Shame on you! Charge and Belle lawyer. Charge and Belle lawyer.
Come here again. Charge and Belle lawyer. Come in. Hey, woman. Come back. Come and carry your seat. Carry the seat out of this place. Everything about you is disgusting. Take it away. Imagine the seat your sister is really disturbing me as well. Take it away.
Charge and Belle lawyer.
Come and take this seat away. Take all your troubles away and go to Madoka.
That was the height of embarrassment in my entire life. You made that one say that to me. Are you saying he said it to me here? This man spoke to me directly. He told me that I am not worthy to marry his daughter and that I should look elsewhere, perhaps the next door neighbors. Because you when he heard, when I told him that I'm a lawyer, he could see the disgust on his face. He felt really irritated.
What makes you think that you can't take care of this thing?
Exactly the question I've asked myself.
What was April saying about him?
Obviously, she's not happy about it. But obviously, she's not happy about it. She has to talk to her dad, but I don't think she has the guts to talk to her own father about her. I don't get it.
Meaning she wants to succumb to her. So why is the love she claims she has for you?
Rebecca, I am very confused. Do you know the worst part? She said she couldn't take it.
I mean, she should be the one to talk to her.
Exactly my point. Exactly my point. I told her to talk to her.
Elvis, if you're going to listen to me, forget about that. Let her father marry her. Come on, there are so many girls out there looking for a nice guy like you. Forget about this girl.
April is different.
And you are starting tomorrow. You are going back to school tomorrow. No, this is my school. Yes. My school fees. Yes, my son.
Mommy, thank you, Mama, thank you, Mama, thank you, I love you.
I love
Mama,
you.
I love you, I love you. Wow!
I sold our television and your father's radio to raise this money.
You're my Mama! I love you, you're the best mom in the
I
world.
love you too.
Mommy, I love you, I love you, I love you. Wow. Eh?
So
I'm going to school tomorrow.
Yes, you're receiving tomorrow.
mother and son. What is going on here? Why are you... Donald, wait, let me finish.
Do you know that Mama just... Will you?
Who are you shutting up? Donald, what's the excitement all about? Jide, why are you dragging this boy out? What are you hiding this time around? Yes, I will find out. Jide, don't stop amusing me. Why are you dragging this boy out? Why must he shut on when he wants to tell you something? This woman won't stop. No man, I'll still find out. Of course I will. I'll definitely find out. Why would you drag this boy out? You want to say something and you shut.
What are you talking about? How can you ask him to beg your father when you are the one who should talk to him?
Mom, you know Dad so well. He doesn't go back on his words.
Let it not be like I'm forcing you. But if you truly love that young and responsible man, like you said, you should be on your knees, morning, afternoon and night, begging your father to have a change of mind.
But Mother, I love him.
You love him? Where's the love? Well, you can't fight for it. That means you don't know what you want.
Excuse me, he's calling. Hello? Yes, baby. Where? Okay.
What is it?
He wants me to come see him in this office. Let me just hurry and just change my shoes and go see him.
Alright. Please make sure you come back on time. I don't want your father's...
I'm not even left. You're talking about coming back early.
So that was how the thought of the seed that conquered the great man.
So the little tortoise from that school is full of wisdom. Wow. Mama, I will become a conqueror.
Amen. Amen, my son.
Good Where are my radio and my television? Where did you keep them? I can't see them where they should be. Are you not the one I'm asking? Let me ask for the master. Where did you keep my radio and my television?
If you really want to know, I sold them to raise money for our son's school fees. Because he's going back to school tomorrow.
What is a joker? So you are joking. I think you are joking, isn't it? Because you cannot sell my radio and my television. No, it's not possible. So where are you keeping them? Where are you hiding them? Jideka, please go and get it before I will raise the pigs in you.
You better start doing that and that I will not like, because I have sold them and you never see them in my entire life again. You better have to go to that.
Let me also pretend that you are still joking. Isn't it?
Super.
Jideka, let me ask you for the last time, honestly last time. Where are my radio and my television? If I go out there and come back here without seeing my television and my radio, Jideka, this house will not contain all of us. I promise you that. I promise you that.
Akuko! What if again nothing will happen? Judge and Belle lawyer. Now calm down. You don't need to stop yourself. Nothing will happen.
Nothing another school.
Hey!
My next complaint. I'm so happy that I'm going to the same school tomorrow.
Wow, that is fantastic. Your father has finally done it?
No, it was not my father, it was my mother. She sold our television and sold his radio.
Oh, she did?
Yes. And guess what?
I can't get see old age is around the corner. I can get.
Okay. Do you know that my father was very angry with my mom? Because he wants her to return all the things she sold.
Did she return anything?
No. What will my mom return? Just my mom now. She said I must go to school. I must resume school tomorrow.
Well, that is fantastic. I wish you well as you resume school. Eh?
Thank you.
Be a good boy.
Thank you.
Study hard. And make sure you always come first on any examination in school. Yes.
Sir, are we going?
Very serious about this studies. I know you will make it. I pray that you will make it.
Can't get you off my mind. I want to love you. I want to love you. Never let you off my side for the rest of my life. I want to love you.
Why is she not taking my calls?
Never let you off my side.
She told me that she'll be here in a couple of minutes. And all of a sudden, what's going on? She must be the one. Yes?
Elvis, my man. Well, this one with your face be like this. What is happening?
I am fine.
You're not fine, Elvis. Is it about the girl whom my father rejected you?
Emeka, I do not know what is going on with my life. I can't seem to hold grip of anything around me anymore.
Elvis, you need to calm down and pull yourself together.
She was supposed to be here. She called me like an hour ago that she'll be here like in about 30 minutes. And up to now, she's not taking her calls. I have called repeatedly. And then, I just can't seem to reach her again. I don't know what is going on. She has refused to pick my calls. Can I?
Can you just forget about this girl? Come on, my man, stop behaving like this. Because of a woman?
No. The only thing standing between me and April is her father. She loves me so much and I do love her as well. It is a mutual feeling. The only obstacle is the father.
So, is the father the reason why she has not answered the call?
Nji. Hey,
I am done. You know 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 I am done.
Help me. Help me. She's gone. Help me. Hey, help me. Ikemba. Hey, Ikemba. You have killed your wife. Hey, Ikemba. You killed your wife for nothing. Stubbornness is the mother of disaster. You have killed your wife. Hey, hey, help me, Loka. Help me. Loka, help me. Abomination. Abomination. Ikemba! Ikemba! Help me go! Hey! Ikemba!
Huh? What is it?
No problem.
Hey, wait.
After the guy call you.
Call me for what?
The owner of that car is here. He said he wants to see Oga.
Which car are you talking about?
That car now.
Oh, are you not aware that Oga went home with that car yesterday?
I won't say because I don't see the car. So what should I tell the man now?
No, tell the man to wait. We don't know what he's supposed to do.
Let me go and tell the man to come back, the Oga.
I beg, leave here.
I beg, do make me more drop the engine. I beg, I don't to suffer. I beg.
As your second job.
I
beg, come on here and as soon as I know you.
I beg. May drop my for Oga come back, Obiko.
I'm not your Oga.
I beg, man. I beg for Oga.
As soon as I know you, I'm not your Oga. Come on here.
I beg.
I don't have your time.
I beg.
Day and night, can't get you off my mind. I want to love you. I want to love you. Never let you off my side for the rest of my life. I want to love you. I want to love you. Never let you off my side for the rest of my life. Just give me a chance. I want to love you. Give my love chance for the rest of my life. I will cross the mountain. I want to love you. And valley for you for the rest of my life. I will do anything for you. I want to love you. Please don't let me down for the rest of my life. Complex emotion. Love is a complex emotion. It is not based on material things. Money should not be determinant for love. This heart is not a playground. Let love flow for test and trial. Let love flow, stop playing with the heart. Let love flow, stop playing with emotions. Let love flow, flow, flow. I want to love you. I want to love you. Never let you off my side for the rest of my life. I want to love you. I want to love you. Never let you off my side for the rest of my life. Just give me a chance. I want to love you. Give my love chance for the rest of my life. I will cross the mountain. I want to love you. And valley for you for the rest of my life. I will do anything for you. I want to love you.
April, please pick your call. Pick your call, eh? Pick your call now. You said you are coming back immediately. Look at now. It's late already.
Oh.
Hey,
What's
Chief,
the problem?
you are back.
Yes.
Welcome, sir.
What's it?
It's April. She left the house this afternoon. She said she's coming back immediately, but I've not seen her.
With who?
She went to see Barrister Elvis. He called her and asked her to come to his office and see him. So she said she's coming back immediately.
Who is Doctor? Did you say Doctor Barrister? Who is Barrister?
Barrister Elvis. Barrister Elvis. It's the young barrister that wants to marry her. I was with her when he called and asked her to come see him.
And you allow that to happen?
Chief, what do you expect me to say now? She said she's coming back immediately.
Yes, hello? Who's this? What? Yes, that's my daughter's car. What happened? What? Where? Hello? If anything happens to my daughter, you, a right-trained barrister, will be held responsible.
What just happened? What did I do? What did I do? God, I beg you, let it not be that something happened to my daughter. God, I beg. Hey, let me go again. Let me go a number again.
Yes. Her phone is switched off till now. As we speak, yes. I have tried and tried it. It's not connecting. It's been switched off. I have a very strong feeling that something is wrong somewhere. Something I can't even place my hands on. I have been brainstorming all along, but I can't figure out something. Her father's house? No. I wouldn't go there. Considering the last embarrassment, the way the man treated me, I don't think it's going to be good advice to, a good idea to agree to.
That's it. Arrest.
Chief, what is my offense? How did he get in here?
Young man, you are needed at the station for questioning. In regard to Miss April's disappearance, please stand.
Officer, are you sure you know what you're doing?
I know exactly what I'm doing, mister.
Don't say a word. It makes me angry. If you say a word. You think I'm here to joke with you? I have a combined team outside there for your arrest. I have military, air force, and DSS. Now go out there.
Officer, you should be very conversant with the law, and I am asking you this question. Are you really aware of what you are doing?
I am fully conversant with the law, young man. Please move it. Let's go. Come on.
Are you sure what you're doing, officer?
Excuse me.
Arrest him!
Or do you want me to handle you? Do you want me to help you? Please move. That's it.
You don't know who you're joking with.
Young man, I have tried being friendly, but I can see it's not working. You're a lawyer by profession, and I believe you understand the gravity of the offense you are being accused of. So I'm going to ask you for the last time, where is Miss April Donald? Where are you keeping her?
And for the last time, I am telling you, officer, I do not know her whereabouts. You are keeping the wrong man. And I promise you, I will take this up from here the moment I leave this place.
Was a dying man. And who told you you're going to leave this place? I keep you here as far as it takes for you to give me what I want.
I know I will leave this place. Watch and see.
Are you threatening the police, young man?
This is not a threat. And I am not threatening the police. This is a fact. You see, are you aware that you are keeping a barrister against his will? This is a kidnap case. You brought me here against my will. Did you charge me? No. This is how corrupt you police officers. Shut up! You are corrupt! I am speaking the truth.
How dare you speak to police officers in that manner?
You have kept me here against my will. Listen, you will face it. Once I leave this place, you will face the wrath of the law legally. You have taken money from that chief and has kidnapped me. This is a kidnapped case.
The only reason I am not squeezing light out of you right now is just for one thing. Just a reason. And I want to promise you something. You are dreaming by saying or thinking or thought that you're going to leave this place. I'm going to keep you here like a dog. As a matter of fact, I'm going to lock you in this dark room. So long you have refused to provide me the necessary information I need, because I can see you're a criminal. How dare you?
You mean the idiot has refused to confess where he kept my daughter? Officer, don't be soft on him. He knows my daughter's whereabouts. Maybe he's angry because I refused him to marry my daughter. Just force him to say a word. Of course, force him to say a word. You know the measures to apply to make him say the truth. Please, officer, I am begging you. I do not want anything to happen to my daughter. Anything. I don't want anything to happen to her. I'll make sure he rots in jail.
Why would the barrister kidnap my daughter? Marriage is not by force. Now my husband is putting all the blame on me. If anything happens to my April, I will never forgive that father.
Is marriage by force? Marriage opposite by force. Now Chief is blaming me for everything. God help me. If anything happened to my daughter, I swear to God, I will never forgive that boy. I will not forgive him.
You mean you know her? Yes. I know her, and her father is a multi-billionaire. Yes, he used to be our client back in the days. Wow. Yes. This is my jackpot. That means something big is about to happen in my life. Shut up. Pray nothing happens to this girl. Just pray hard, because you're the number one suspect. You are always rejecting for nothing. Listen, I'm telling you, something big is about to happen in my life. So all I need you to do for me now is to cooperate. Cooperate with who? With you. Bro, you shouldn't have gotten yourself in this mess. So you shouldn't have. Count me out. You shouldn't have gotten yourself in this mess. There is nothing messy about this. Allow me to think. Something big is about to happen in my life. That's what I'm trying to make you understand. She's the daughter of a billionaire. A billionaire. Do you know what you're doing to yourself? I don't win. Do you know what you're doing to yourself? Just calm down and watch.
My friend, this, my you your last chance. Tell me how much you need. I need my daughter back. Tell me how much you need and I will pay you.
Chief, I swear to God I am innocent. I love your daughter so much. I wouldn't even think of harming her in the slightest way possible. Believe me.
Think that I will fall for this cheap trick of yours?
Nurse.
Yes, sir.
Which year she go wake up?
Don't worry, she'll be fine. Ah, thank God. She's back, sir. She just regained consciousness. Let me quickly inform the doctor.
Easy. Take it easy, okay? You can't do that now. I will explain everything. Just calm down, okay? You're not fit for all this now.
What am I doing here?
Relax. The doctor will soon be here, okay?
Who brought me here?
Too many questions. Can you just calm down? I will explain everything to you, okay?
I want to see my papa. My head hurts.
Your papa will soon be here. Calm down. It's okay. Relax.
My head hurts. No, I want my papa.
The doctor will soon be here, okay? Your papa is coming.
I feel it's time for me to settle down.
Hello, nurse. All right, I'm coming to your hospital now. Yes, I'm on my way. Thank you.
I want to love you. Never let you off my side for the rest of my life. I want to love you. Never let you off my side for the rest of my life. Just give me a chance. I want to love you. Give my love chance for the rest of my life. I will cross the mountain. I want to love you. And valley for you for the rest of my life. I will do anything for you. I want to love you. Please don't let me down for the rest of my life. Complex emotion. Love is a complex emotion.
Lars,
Yes.
how long have I been here?
Oh, 2 days now.
2 days?
Yes.
Oh my God, my parents will be worried about me. Please, can you do me a favor? Can I use your phone to call my parents?
Sure, why not? I can do that. I'll do that for you.
Thank you.
Oh, sir. Thank God you're here. Welcome.
Thank you, Rosa. How are you?
Nurse,
Yes.
was he the one who saved me?
Yes, he is.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for saving me.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank God you're up now.
Thank you. Please, can I use your phone to call my parents? I need them to know where I am.
No problem. But can you remember exactly what happened to you?
I recall one of the men pushing me out of the car. That's all I remember.
I was driving down to my office on that ugly morning when I saw your unconscious body lying along the road. Something touched my heart, unlike me. I decided to stop and help you. So I brought you here that day. You were unconscious.
Day and night, can't get you off my mind. I want to love you. I want to love you. Never let you off my side for the rest of my life. I want to love you. I want to love you. Never let you off my side for the rest of my life. Just give me a chance. I want to love you. Give my love chance for the rest of my life. I will cross the mountain. I want to love you. And valley for you for the rest of my life. I will do anything for you. I want to love you. Please don't let me down for the rest of my life. Complex emotion. Love is a complex emotion. It is not based on material things. Money should not be determinant for love. For love. This heart is not a playground. Let love flow for test and trial. Let love flow.
Thank you. Thank you for saving my life.
You're welcome. Thank God you are up now. Let me get my phone from the car and call your parents.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're welcome. It's fine. What's up with the doctor?
I want to love you. Never let you off my side for the rest of my life.
Elvis had no hand in my kidnap.
Don't say that again. He's a suspect. He simply wanted to destroy you because I refused him to marry you. The next thing he did was to kidnap you. That's it.
April,
Mom.
your father is right. Days are bad and people are wicked.
Not Elvis, Mom.
Listen to me. I don't want that announcement anymore in this house. And I don't even want to hear that you either cling or click with him again. Not Elvis. Yet he's the devil's advocate. Not Elvis. It's the devil.
Mom, Elvis is a good man. He wouldn't want to harm me in any way.
April, please. Please listen to your father. I don't want him to start blaming me tomorrow for being responsible of your mistakes. You should be grateful that you are alive.
My parents will come down shortly. Exercise some more patience. Once again, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Mr. Zubby.
Good day, sir. Good day, man. You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Please sit down.
You're welcome, then.
Yeah. Once again, I want to immensely thank you for saving my daughter's life. I say thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
April,
Daddy.
go get him some.
Okay, Daddy.
No, don't bother. I'm fine.
Why not? Please take something now. You're like a family friend now.
No, I don't do alcohol.
It's okay. Just let him be. It's all right. So, what do you do for a living?
Thank you, sir. By the grace of God, I work with an oil company as the managing director.
Oh, that's impressive. So, how is work?
Fine, sir.
Oh, you see? Well, let me tell you something. From now onwards, You are part of this family. You're welcome to this house anytime, any day.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, it's okay.
My dear, I really don't know how to thank you for saving our daughter's life. May God bless you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, ma. You see, ma, we do good things because God rewards good deeds.
Well, I accept the fact you don't do alcohol. Well, at least water is fine. I'll probably get him water.
Okay, Daddy.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate it. You see, that's why. See, this oil company, I know about onshore and profession. I know the offshore and onshore dichotomy. You know, the system is screwed up. But what can we do? We just have to manage the country as it is. I've been there, done that in your company. I've been buying shares everywhere. So I understand what you people are suffering in your company.
What can we do? It's our country, so
of course, we must make it work.
It out.
Yes, I appreciate it. You see, I like people like this, so intelligent, you know.
Bad guy.
Bad guy. So how did it go?
I'm just coming from their house now. They welcomed me very well. Even our father told me that I am free to visit that house anytime, any day. I'm now their family friend.
Are you serious?
Yes, now. And I told them I work with an oil company as the managing director. Everywhere post.
I don't understand. Why would you do a thing like that?
See, the girl told me that someone came to ask for her hand in marriage, and the person is a barrister. They rejected him. We reject barrister, what did they do mechanic? After the gist, now I say, make I knock them oil company because everybody wants oil money.
I don't understand. You're a bad guy. You have always known you as an intentional person, but I don't think this one will go down well with you.
Naki, now, the moment I said that, the man was like, oh, oil to oil, you know. He was saying that's a classic human being. Yes, now, it will work. Before they will find out my real profession, their daughter will be heading like the third baby or the fourth baby after marriage and honeymoon.
I am sure you don't know what you're trying to get yourself into. I don't think this one will go down well with you.
Why?
Just pray you don't end up behind bars.
How?
The way you're going, bro.
See, I had little fake life in my life. I will go prison. Now life na draft now. Okay, man, go there tell them say mechanic. After they don't tell me say they reject lawyer, be barrister. Married, you know what? Everyone they cannot revise it.
Bro,
okay, no make me stop to register you.
Okay. We shall see. Calm down, calm down. I miss you. Today, tomorrow, but I don't get talking. Yes. Go on. Make a follow you. Back up. No, pastor.
Who's this one again?
I feel like one of our customers.
We don't allow someone to rest.
Chief.
Chief. You're welcome, sir.
Welcome, sir.
I want to see your Oga.
My Oga?
Yes.
Choose, rush. Call Oga.
Okay, just hold on. I'm coming.
Chief, I hope everything is alright.
Well, there's a little complaint here, so let me see your Oga first.
Yes. Oh, that is a little problem now. There is no problem.
Oh, okay.
We just fix it. Just now. Just calm down.
Sure.
Choose!
Oga.
Yeah?
Oga. One Oga did there say he wants to see you.
Why you want to see me?
I don't know. He say he wants to see you first before he go fit tell us what the problem is.
You for find out why you want to see me now. You know, since I dey busy.
I can't forget, no verse, I beg.
Sorry for yourself. So you so forget.
No verse.
That car wey una dey work, una don couple am.
Almost. Very soon we go round them up. We just see more rest more by the side.
What does he look like? The guy that is looking for me.
Now one big man, he carry better cow, he car sharp well. A big man, na chief self as Alessia.
Let's go.
Okay, sir.
Hey, this is narrow escape. Thank God though, that man almost caught me. I have to leave this vicinity at once. What did Chuka tell him?
Look at you. Imagine what you're going through. What about April? Have she come to see you?
Unfortunately, no.
I warned you about that girl. Where is the love she professed to you?
It is not her fault. I am very sure that her father has restricted her in every way possible from coming to see me. And this I know.
I don't believe that. If she truly loves you, she will defy her father's order. Elvis, what if she thinks and believes in her father's view that you have a hand in her kidnap?
Not my April. She wouldn't. She trusts me. And she loves me. Tell April that I still love her. And I really do care about her. And I have no hand in her kidnap.
I'm so disappointed. Elvis.
It is God love.
Answer that. My dear, I will advise you to forget about that. Bible says to shut
For me to settle down, day and night, can't get you off my mind. I want to love you, I want to love you, never let you off my side for the rest of my life. I want to love you.
Why so long? Stay back. I don't understand. But what if my parents are right? The kidnapper did not ask for anyone. They just pushed me out of kidnapping. Probably to die. I would have left them if it didn't happen.
I want to love you. Please don't let me down for the rest of my life.
Shut up! Shut up. You like
This thing, the way it's scaring me.
You lied to me that you love me.
I love you.
You do not love me. You don't.
I'm sorry. Please don't kill me, please.
I'm going to shoot you dead today. You lied to me that you do love me. You do not love me. I will kill you and let me see how another man will take you away from me.
Elvis, please don't shoot.
Shut up!
Don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Please, I'm begging you.
I just spoke to him on the phone and he told me he was in his office.
Madam, my boss is not in.
But I know what I'm telling you. I spoke with him right there.
Madam, my boss is
Hey! Didn't I tell you I was expecting a visitor?
She said she
Shut
opened...
up. The next time you try this, you will lose your job. How dare you keep my guest waiting? Sorry, darling. I'm sorry about this.
It's okay.
Shall we?
Of course.
Can you imagine this man? Forming boss in another man's office. He even threatened to fire me. Olivia, you have suffered.